Welcome to Eats365 video tutorial. This video shows you how to configure dot matrix kitchen printers on Eats365 POS. Make sure you have turned on the printer and connected it to the same network. Open the side menu by tapping on the menu button. Select Printer Setup under General and then choose the kitchen printer you want to configure. If you can't find the printer, tap the Scan Printers button to look for supported printers in the same network. The kitchen printer will be indicated with a dot matrix printer indicator below it. Tap on it to begin configuration. To make sure you are configuring the correct printer, tap the Test button and the printer will print out a test ticket. Once you have identified the correct printer, you may check all relevant supported printing types options for this printer. Once you have checked the kitchen ticket option, choose the kitchen stations which this printer is responsible for. Finally, give this printer a name that is easily identifiable to you. Tap the Save button to apply the settings. For certain items, you may want multiple printers to print the kitchen tickets at the same time. To do this, select another kitchen printer. Check the kitchen ticket option and choose the same kitchen stations again. Tap the Save button when finished. Now, multiple printers will print the same kitchen ticket for the selected kitchen stations. Configuring dot matrix kitchen printers is that simple.